In this lecture, we're going to show how we can move, copy, rotate, scale, and stretch sketch entities. So let's go to the Sketch tab, and let's create a sketch on the front plane. Now let's go to the line, and let's create a sketch, something like this. Don't worry about the dimension, like this. And now, for example, we want to move this sketch to some other position. So we can go here to move entities. So here, in this dialog box, first we have to choose entities that we want to move. So we can select all those lines, all 4 lines. Here, we can go with Keep Relations, or we can uncheck this. So let's go check Keep Relations. And here, we can choose where we want to move. So we can choose here from to, or we can specify here the exact location. So first, let's go with from to. And here, let's choose a start point. So we can choose this start point. And now we can move our sketch to any position that we want, for example, here. Now if we go to move entities again, let's select all entities. Now let's go to the XY. Now if we increase the X direction, we can see that our sketch is moving along X axis. If we increase the Y, now our sketch is moving along Y direction, like this. And this is how you can move your sketch. Let's click OK. Now let's go here to this arrow. Now let's choose Copy Entities. Now, for example, we want to copy those entities to some other position. So here first we have to select our entities that we want to copy. Let's choose those entities here. And now also we have 2 options here. We can go from to and XY. Let's first go with from to. Let's select any point here, like this, and let's copy this to any position that we want here. And now we have 2 copies of this. As well, if you go here to copy entities, you can also use XY position. So let's choose those entities. Let's go here, XY, and here you can choose some other values for X and Y, like this. For example, you can click OK. Now let's go here. Let's choose Rotate. So maybe we want to rotate the sketch around some point. So first let's select those entities that you want to rotate. And now here we have to choose a center of rotation. For example, we want that center will be this point here. And here we can choose the angle. Let's go with 45 degrees. And now we have a sketch that's 45 degrees around this angle. We can also increase this manually. Now we can see the changes, like this. Let's click OK. Let's go here again. Let's choose Scale Entities. So as well, we have to choose entities that we want to scale. Let's choose those entities here. Now let's choose Scale About. Let's choose this line. And now we can see the preview. We can increase the scale factor here, like this. And we can also check your copy. Now we're going to have 2 sketches. This one, the first one, and the second one that has been scaled. Let's click OK. So this is the result. Now let's go to the line. Let's create something like this. And now let's go here to move entities, and let's choose Stretch Entities. So first let's choose entities that we want to stretch. Let's choose this one and this one. And let's go with from to. Now here, Stretch About, let's choose here, like this. And now as you can see, we can stretch those 2 lines to any position that we want. For example, something like this. Or we can go here, Stretch Entities, choose those 2 lines. Let's go XY. And now we can manually here stretch our entities, like this. Let's click OK. So there are some useful tools that can help you when you're creating your sketch.